Welcome again to the new session. So today we will be doing fourth question of exercise 3.5. The fourth question is 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. We have to find the value of this expression. So this one sine pi by 6, pi is 180, 180 divided by 6 is sine 30, or if you wish you can write it like this, sine 30, this is sec 60 minus 4 sine pi by 6, 30 into 5, 150, and this is cot 45 degree. This value will be 3 into 1 by 2, sec is 1 by cos, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so this is 2 minus 4 into sine 150 we can write as sine 180 degree minus 30, and this is cot 45 is 1. So we have got 3 minus 4 into sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree, so here it is 4 and sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. This can be cancelled. So it is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So this is the answer for this question. Likewise, we will be doing the second one. You can do on your own. This is first part. Now we will be doing fifth question. Tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, and so on up to tan 89. We have to find the value of this expression. So here if we count the number from 1 to 89, one number will be falling here 45. So from 46 to 89 and here 1 to 44, correct? This can be written as 90 minus 44, correct? This can be written as 90 minus 1. So means after 45 degree we can reduce all the angles as 90 minus 44, then 90 minus 43, then 90 minus 42, and so on up to 90 minus 1 degree. So this one we will be using here in this one. So here we will be writing tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, this is 3 degree, and so on, tan 45. Here after tan 45 it will be into tan 90 minus 44. 46 we can write as 90 minus 44, and so on. The last one will be 90 minus 1. If you want you can write one more, tan 90 minus 43, and so on. This is tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, and so on. Tan 45 is 1 into, this is cot 44, This is cot 43 and so on. Last one will be cot 1. Now cot 1 and tan 1 will be getting cancelled. Tan 2 cot, here we can write tan 1 cot 1, tan 2 cot 2. From here, before cot 1, what will be getting? Cot 2. So tan 3 cot 3. Cot 3 degree will be getting where? We will be getting before, here we will be getting cot 2, then we will be getting cot 3 and so on. The last one will be tan 44 and cot 44 degree. This one is there. Now here 1 into anything is same number, so we are not considering 1 here, and these all will be getting cancelled. So what the answer will be? So answer will be 1, because 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 and all will be getting, we are getting pair, first and last, second and second last, third and third last, and like this we will keep on doing it, and we will be getting the combinations of this tan and cot. Tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, angles are same, all will be getting cancelled and the answer will be 1. Now see question number 6. What is there in question number 6? That tan x equal to 2 by 3 and tan y is equal to 3 by 4. Find tan x plus y. We are knowing the value of this is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Now you put the value of tan x tan y here and you will be getting the answer. So this you have to do on your own. Now see the 7th question. It is sine minus 1785 degree. So we have to reduce it to the angle less than 45 degree. So what can we do in this? So we are knowing that sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So here we can write minus sine 1785 degree. This minus will come here. Now this we can write as sine 4 into 360, 4 into 360, 5 into 360 minus 15, 1800 minus 15 degree. So this will give you 1800. 1800 means how many turns? 2 pi, 4 pi, 3 turn. When we will take 5 turns, then it will be 5 into 360. 360 means 1 full turn. So minus means here in the 4th quadrant. So this angle is in which quadrant? This angle is in 4th quadrant. So what will happen? When it is in 4th quadrant, again sine is negative in 4th quadrant. So 1 minus we are already having, 1 will be getting from here. So it will become plus sine 15 degree. One thing again you understand that sine 360 minus 15 is minus sine 15. So whether it is 360 or 2 into 360, 3 into 360, 4 into 360 or 5 into 360, in all cases it will be minus 15 degree, because in each case it will be in 4th quadrant. So here we have got plus sine 15 degree. So this is the answer for first part. Now the second part is cosec minus 7498 degree, very big number. So firstly, again, because sine minus theta is minus sine theta, the cosec is also there. So minus cosec 7498 degree. This means minus 20 into 360, 7200 plus how much? 298 degree. Now this is in which quadrant? Again see, 360 plus means first quadrant. This is first quadrant. So here we are having in first quadrant. Here we will write minus cosec. So where it is 298 degree then. Now what it will be? This equal to 298. Correct? Now cosec it is. So cosec 298 degree will be how much? You can find it. So we can write minus cosec 270 plus 28 degree. Now 270. This is 0, this is 90, this is 180 and this is 270, and 270 plus will be in which quadrant? This is fourth quadrant. 270 plus will be fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cosec is negative. One negative sign we are having here, one will be getting from here. So it will be positive. So it will be cosec. Cosec will become sec. So sec 28 degree. Because we are going from here to here, whenever we cross 270 or 90, then the function gets changed. Cosec will be changing to sec, and 270 plus 28, because this is in fourth quadrant, the minus will come out here, and minus will become plus. So it will be sec 28 degree. Now in the next question they are asking, question number 8, which is bigger, sin 55 or cos 55? So we can change this into sin. So sin 90 minus 45, or sorry, cos only, cos 90 minus 45, and this equal to 55 we have changed to 90 minus 45, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin theta, what is theta here? Theta is 45, so sin 45. So cos 55 can be taken as sin 45. This is sin 55, as the value of sine function increases with the increase in the value of angle. As the angle increases, the value of sine also increases. Implies sine 55 degree is greater than sine 45 degree. Implies sine 55 degree is greater than cos 55 degree. Firstly, we have made the two functions to be same, sine and sine. We have seen the angle. Cos value decreases when we go from 0 to 90 degree. Sine value increases from when we go from 0 to 90 degree. Correct? So that is the basic difference. So here sine 45 value will be less than sine 55 value. So hence we can write it like this, and we can find that sine 55 is greater than cos 55 degree. Now theta equal to 100 degree. We have to find the sine of sine theta plus cos theta. Means we have to find sine 100 degree and what plus cos 100 degree. This one we have to find. Sine 100 is how much? You can check it. It is if we wish to give the value, what value will be there? This is sine 100. So sine 100 can be written as sine 90 plus 10, and this can be written as cos 90 plus 10. This is how much? Sine 90 plus theta. This is 90. We are changing this. We are going plus means we are going to second quadrant. Sine is positive in second quadrant. So there it will be changing. Why? Because we are crossing 90. So it will be cos 10 degree. Correct? And then this will be how much? It will be positive. Why? Because sine is positive in its own house. That means first and second quadrant. Second quadrant is the house of sine. So cos 10 degree, and here it will be, this is cos and this is again we are crossing here, so it will be sine 10 degree, and because we are crossing here, this is the house of sine, it is cos, so here it will be minus. Now which is greater? Cos 10 is greater or sine 10 is greater? If you wish, you can write it in terms of cos only. Correct? So here what it will be? Cos 100 can be written as, if you wish to write in terms of cos only, then also we can write. Here cos 100 can be written as, either you write it like this or you can write it another way round, 180 minus 80, if you wish to keep it in cos terms only. So here we can write it cos 80 degree, and we are knowing that cos 10 is greater than cos 80 degree. Therefore the sign will be positive as cos 10 degree is greater than cos 80 degree. This is one way of doing. If you are not changing it, as you have just taken its cos 90 plus 10, and here you have taken it to be minus sine 10. Here again you can write cos 10. One more step we can have, cos 10 degree, and this we can add as sine 90 minus 80, and here this is cos 10 degree and this is minus sin it cos 80 degree. Same thing we will be getting. So either you can write it like that, or this one, both you can take. Either you are taking 90 degree plus 10, or you are taking 180 minus 80. This will come, and the same step will come as cos 10 degree is greater than cos 80 degree. Sin will be positive. Now question number 9. First part, 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 equal to 0. We have to prove. Prove 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 equal to 0. This means pi by 6. 2 sin square pi by 6 means 30 degree plus cosec pi by 6 means 30 and into 7 210 degree. Here cos square, so cos square pi by 3 means 60 degree. Sin square is, we are knowing, 1 by 2 whole square plus cosec, it will be 180 plus 30 cos square 1 by 2 whole square, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus this is cosec 180 plus 30. This is which quadrant? This is 180 and plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. So we are in third quadrant and cosec is negative in third quadrant. So it will be minus cosec 30 degree into 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus cosec sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So 2 into 1 by 4. This will be getting cancelled, means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So the value of this one is 0. This is equal to, this is LHS and equal to RHS. We can do the third one. What is there in the third one? Prove 2 cos square. Now the question is 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. This we have to prove. Now see what we can do here. 2 cos square pi by 2. So 2 cos square pi by 4 means cos square 45 degree plus 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. So this is 135 degree plus sec square 2 sec square 60 degree. You can put the values directly. There is no need to write like this. This is just to make you understand and to find the angle accurately. That's why I am writing like this in numbers form. So 2 into, this is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into, this is sin square 180 minus 45 plus 2 into sec 60, sec 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sec is reciprocal of cos, so therefore it is 2 square. How much is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into, this is how much, sine square 45 degree plus 2 into 4 means 1 plus 2 into 1 by root 2 square plus 8. This is 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 8. 2 got cancelled. So 1 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 10. So today we will be doing till here only, question number 9, and the next session we will be moving further from this. After 9 we will be doing. So try to do the questions as early as possible. If you are having difficulty, do write in the comment box, correct? We can solve the questions again here. Till your next session, bye bye.